Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, no, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yes, if you're interested sa ating mga items and charms, yeah, they're all available. Yung ating granter lang po ang made to order. Okay? So, yeah, protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So, yeah, ipapakita ko sa inyo para hindi na isa-isa pa. Oo, dun sa comment. I mean, sa message, no? So, ayan yung ating evil eye necklace. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is unisex. Ganun din po itong dalawa na ating ang tawag ito, bracelet. So, isang adjustable and isang garterized. So, garterized natin ganyan. Okay, ito naman is available in red string nga. And yes, meron itong initial na inilalagay namin. Okay, sa magmamayari po. Ha, initial ng magmamayari. So, kung ito ay inyong ipangre-regalo, initial po nung inyong re-regaluhan. Okay? And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1. Yes, ang dami ng magandang feedback ang nangyayari. Oo. So, hindi ko lang talaga na ilalagay sa ating FB page, no? Kasi, mas more on videos tayo. Anyway, so, yung ating 2-in-1 evil eye, 2-in-1 evil eye, 2-in-1 love bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine. So, citrine stone is for money, for abundance. So, ginagamit siya pwedeng sa business, pwedeng sa, yes, para mapataas ang sales mo, more customers, more sales, no? So, yeah, nakakahigit rin ito ng energy ng sabihin nating ang tawag dyan pagdating sa merit, yon. Okay, merit, no? So, puro pataas. Okay, puro pataas. Promotion, yan, mga ganyan. So, yun po, ha? And again, sa mga nagtatanong, 7 inches long. Okay, 7 inches long, hindi po siya garterized, hindi po siya na-adjust, no? So, 7 inches long. So, kung hindi magkasya sa'yo at gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, lalaki, babae, kung gusto mo nito, red pouch. Sa red pouch mo siya ilalagay and wag mong ilalayo. Okay? Wag mong ilalayo sa'yo. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant. Kaya po granter. No? Oo. So, taga-grant ng ating mga manifestation. So, kailangan nating protektahan yung mga minamanifest natin sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng evil eye protection. Kasi nandoon siya sa frequency. No, yung ating manifestations is nasa frequency. So, yun ang kailangan nating protektahan. Hindi naman natin mapoprotektahan na yung manifestations physically Di po ba? So, kailangan din natin frequency rin ang poprotekta. So, sa pamamagitan ng evil eye, protection, pwede po yun. No? So, itong ating love and money bracelet, kailangan din niya yun. Okay? Ng protection sa evil eye. Para 100% buo yung ibibigay sa inyo. Lalo na po ito, ha? Lalo itong granter necklace. Okay, so kailangan proteksyonan ninyong maigi ang manifestations na ginagawa ninyo. Okay, kasi madalas ang wini-wish dito, minamanifest dito is visa, promotion, makapasa sa exam, whatsoever. Okay? Para hindi natin masasabing, ay, konti na lang sana, dapat ako ay nakapasa na evil eye pala. Oh, ganon, ha? Ay, sayang, na pending pa, na evil eye pala. Hindi binigay ni granter or whatsoever. Dito pa isinise. Oh, ang tanong ko palagi, may evil eye po kayong gamit? Wala po Ay siya. Ulit tayo, manifest ulit. Ngayon, gumamit na kayo ng evil eye protection. Okay? So, ganun po, ha? Yung parang 100% mag-grant. Pwede siyang mag-grant. Okay? Pwede siyang mag-grant. Pero, sabihin natin kung pera ang inyong minamanifest, magbayad si ganito, si ganyan. Okay, mga ganong bagay po, ha? Magbayad ng buo, na evil eye. So, kalahati lang yung naibigay. Magagrant naman, pero hindi buo. Okay po? So, sana nagets nyo, mga sample. And, syempre, yung ating pangtaboy, pangalis. MALAS. Okay? Yung ating cord cut. Pasimplihan na lang natin yung description ng ating cord cut. Pangtaboy, alat, pangtaboy, MALAS. Pwede sa bahay po. Pwede sa business. Sasabit nyo lang. Okay? Pwede sa pangsariling gamit. Okay? So, again, i-provide ang real name. Please, hindi ko naman kukunin. Hindi ko man papalitan yung pangalan ko at gagawin ko yung pangalan ko. No, kailangan ko lang yun kasi inyo yan eh. Okay? Sa inyo. Okay? So, again, kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po, ha? Okay? So, let's see. Air signs, anong mensahe for you? Okay, the reading starts at 6:20. Okay. Air signs, what's for you? Mensahe for air signs. The Queen of Cups. The World Universe. What's with that World Universe? I'm hearing sacrifice. Okay, I'm hearing sacrifice. I'm hearing martir. Okay? Meron kayong mga isasantabi dahil may mas uunahin. Parang ganyan. So, ano pa? Page of Pentacles in reverse. The Fool. I'm hearing pending pagdating sa travel. Reschedule. I'm hearing reschedule. Iwasan ninyong ma-compromise if ever. Double check your notes. Double check your schedules if ever. Okay? I'm hearing delays pagdating sa travel. This July, I think. Or this week. Six of Pentacles in reverse. And the Seven of Cups. Meron ditong mga kailangan ng suporta mo financial. Okay? Sa financial. Four of Pentacles. Some of you hindi nyo to matutulungan. I don't know why. Yeah, the Hierophant. I don't know. May chance kasi na itong hihiram na to. I think, yeah, may hihiram. Or may hihingi ng tulong mo. Alam mong hindi nila maibabalik. Pero yeah, kung masyado kaming maraming pera, pwede naman yun, no? Kung ikaw naman ay talaga namang umaapaw-apaw ang inyong biyaya. Hindi po ba? So, yeah, the King of Wands Universe. May chance kasi na pwedeng, yes, alam mo na hindi niya mamamanage or hindi niya matutupad yung pangako. Pwede kasing nakahiram na sa'yo to or nakahingi na or whatsoever. In general, this person, sabihin natin, hihingi siya ng tulong sa'yo, pero alam mo naman na hindi siya marunong ng parang kahit magsabi man lang ng salamat. Hindi siya marunong tumanaw ng utang na loob. Parang mga ganung bagay. I don't know. That's specific, not for all. I'm sorry. Pero yeah, anyway. So there. There's a player wanting na makipag-ayos. Be careful. That's specific. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, fire signs. What is the message para sa inyong mga fire signs? Message. Three of Cups in reverse. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So, meron ditong hindi, sabihin natin i-reject. Meron ditong parang hindi pupunta pagdating sa isang occasion. And, pwedeng ina-expect ka nila doon. Maybe people is expecting something from you. Pero andun yung energy ng disappointments. I don't know why. Pwedeng hindi ka magpupunta or hindi nila makikita yung ina-expect nila sa inyo. Okay? This is too specific. Yeah, the devil in reversed. I think, sabihin nating napaka-specific nito, fire signs. Yeah, the 7 of Wands. Kung hindi ikaw ito, pwede kasing water, pwedeng earth, Capricorn, pwedeng meron ditong umiiwas na makita ka eh. Iniiwasan ka niyang makita ka. Could be a family member or a friend, colleagues. You have tension. Okay? May tension na namamagitan sa inyong dalawa ng taong to. That is why, yeah, the 10 of Cups. That is why they're trying to avoid you. Pwede kasing ayaw lang makipag-ayos or the others issue sa inyong dalawa. But yes, pwedeng siya ina-expect mo na makita pero hindi siya magpapakita. Page of Swords. Somebody is stalking you. Somebody. Or maybe wanting to communicate. The King of Pentacles. Meron ditong nanggagamit. Okay? A lot of utos. Parang ang daming utos. Yeah, the King of Swords. This is like power trip. Power tripping. Kasi sila yung may kapangyarihan, no, na magsabi kung anong kailangan gawin, whatsoever. Could be a boss. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Pwede kasi may pabor ka, kaya parang sasamantalahin nila eh. Okay? Be careful. Some of you, nakikita ko na pwedeng maghahanap ka ng work. Medyo dehado tayo. Wala akong nakikitang offer sa ngayon. Okay? So, what else? The 5 of Cups in reversed. Somebody is trying to move on from you. Water sign, air sign. They're trying to move on from you. They're looking for something. They're looking for a reason para mag-move on sila. Okay? Some of you, there's this past person trying to communicate pero hindi mo alam bakit sila nandyan whatsoever. Walang label or what. They're trying to move on. Okay? They're trying to move on from you. Huwag mo isipin na bumabalik sila kasi hindi nila kayang mawala ka or love ka nila. No, I don't see anything here. Okay? Ang nakikita ko dito is the intention is para makamove on sila ng mas mabilis. Okay? 5 of Cups in reversed. Yeah, Judgment. Some of you wag mo i-stuck yung sarili mo. Wag mo ilagay sa parang nakakulong ka. Okay? Yeah, the 8 of Swords. Energy ng 8 of Swords is being stuck. Okay? So, fire signs, wag mo hayaan. No? Wag mo hayaan yung sarili mong ma-stuck. Mayroon kang kailangang baliin na cycle dito. Judgment in reversed. Some of you have to move on. From a Scorpio. From a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have to move on. Kasi makaka-apekto sa'yo to kung hindi mo gagawin sa lahat ng aspeto. See? This is a decision na kailangan mong gawin. 2 of Swords. The stars here in reverse. Kung meron kang galit, kailangan mo nang release. Kailangan mo nang forgive. Kahit sabihin natin hindi mo matanggap sa kanila na sila ay humihingi ng tawad or what. You need to give them, okay, forgiveness kahit hindi sila humihingi. You have to move on from certain people, from certain situations na feeling mo na to drag down ka na. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan yun. Okay? So, there. So, next. Water signs. Okay, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so, hi Lucky. O, diba? Si Lucky. Ang name niya ay Lucky. Napaka-lucky. O, diba? Anyway, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Message for you. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The like. Okay? Hit the like button. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, what you need to know. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Ace of Wands, could be travel. Having a new beginning. Fresh, clean slate. Seven of Wands. You have energy of, sabihin nating, blockages pagdating sa Ace of Wands mo. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Some of you, you're pending. You're the one who's doing the delays or making the delays. Water signs. You're the one giving them or giving yourself blockages. Yeah, the World. Okay. Some of you, there's a lot of changes coming in. Pero you are, sabihin nating, no, parang ganun ang ginagawa. No, I'm not ready, or no, wala lang. Gusto ko lang ng no. Ayoko, parang ganun. Meron dito mga magagandang pwedeng mangyari. A lot of opportunities coming in. Water signs. Sa pamamagitan ng, ay, isipin ko muna, ay, ganto ganyan, ay, baka sakali ganto, ay, baka hindi muna, or what. Doon pumapasok po, ha, yung salitang black. Queen of Swords. Just be nating ready, or maging matapang ka lang sa pagtanggap, no? Yeah, there's challenges. Okay? Para siyang nasa form of challenge itong mga opportunity na parating sa'yo, water signs. Anyway, somebody is hiding or sabihin natin avoiding kung ano man. Andun yung word na in denial. May nagdi-deny dito. Anyway, what else? Five of Wands. Yeah, challenge. Seven of Swords. Somebody is evil eyeing you. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. So, nagkakaroon ng drag down or delays if ever. This is evil eye. Five of Wands, Seven of Swords. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Kaya ka nagkaka-problem, I think. Who is this? I think this person is jealous. Gusto ng taong to talagang harap ka lagi sa problem. Who is this? Seven of Swords. King of Pentacles. Somebody na self-centered. Gusto niya nasa kanya lang yung spotlight. Okay? The Five of Swords. Ayaw nila na mag-i-improve ka. Ayaw nila na malalagpasan mo sila. Anyway, there could be a businessman or woman. Could be a leader. Okay? So, yung opinion mo is wala yung lugar. Parang ganun Anyway. So, there's this specific person. Some of them, they're irresponsible partner sneaking back. And they will give you a lot of drama. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Just be the Queen of Swords. Be the Queen of Swords. Be ready. Be ready to cut off people. Be ready to cut off situations like that. Okay? Yeah, I'm open. Pero I'm here. I'm ready to cut you off kung kailangan. Parang ganun. Okay? So, the Six of Swords. Alam mo, water signs, talagang binibigyan ka or bibigyan ka ni universe ng struggles. Kasi the universe is trying to, parang i-ready ka. Okay, this is leveling up. Energy ng leveling up. So, kung makakasabay ka sa energy na to, so yeah, welcome. Level 2 or level 3. Parang ganon. So, this is like an upgrade. An upgrade pagdating sa energies. 6 of Swords. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Lalo na po sa pamemera, ha? Okay, sa pamemera or sa family could be. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse, the World. This is a lesson or pwedeng a struggle or a situation where you find yourself na parang kailangan ko ng ganito, ng ganyan. I'm seeing myself suffering. Parang ganun. Pero, yeah. This is for, sabihin natin a blessing in disguise. Kapag nakita mo, kapag nalagpasan mo, this is like sabihin natin mas magiging okay ka. Okay? Yeah, 2 of Swords, 2 of Wands. Bakit ako nandito? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganito? Yeah, pinaprepare ka lang ni universe. Pinaprepare ka lang. So, meron silang mga ibabalik sa iyo. Could be energies from the past na talagang parang magiging challenge sa'yo kung ikaw ba ay mag-i-stay sa past or ikaw itong okay, I'm good na sa kung anong meron sa akin, no time for past. Gets? So, yun po. Okay? So, there. No time for time wasters. Parang ganon. Anyway. So, next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see what's for you again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Yeah, and hit the like button. Hit the like button. So, big help yan sa ating channel. Thank you sa mga nagsusupport. So, Earth signs. Okay. What's the message for our Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. 5 of Pentacles. King of Cups. Somebody is loving you, like they need you, they need your love, they need your support. Could be a water sign or an earth sign like you. Who is this? Who is this King of Cups? They need you. The 7 of Pentacles in reversed. Did they waste your time? Did they waste your time? The 9 of Pentacles, okay. Now, this person is realizing everything that yes, they love you. You're the one that they need. Yeah, the 6 of Cups is a past person. May chance, malamang sa malamang, yung iba sa inyo, napapanaginipan nyo yung iba ninyong ex. Ngayon nila nare-realize yung importansya ninyo. Ngayon nila nare-realize na ganun ka pala ka-importante sa kanya. Pwede napapanaginipan mo, naririnig mo yung pangalan niya, kung ano man. So, I'm hearing regrets from that person. I'm hearing. Anyway, what else? What else for Earth signs? The Ace of Swords. Energies of, the 5 of Swords and the Ace of Swords. This is talking about promotion, talking about ang tawag dyan, new contract, visa for some of you, raise, pay raise. Okay? Merong pirmahan ako nakikita dito. Deal, good deal. Okay, what's with that Ace of Swords? Recognition and the 4 of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong mag-open ng new bank account. Yeah, a new bank account. Yeah, the World. The Empress. Yes. Okay? So, energy patungkol sa progress. Okay? So, this is nice. Some of you, meron ditong magpe-prepare ng parang, ang tawag dun, is it a boy or is it a girl? Pregnancy, okay, parang ganyan. Pero yes, somebody is like, parang may nakatago pa eh. Hindi pa alam kung anong magiging anak. I'm hearing a girl. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Pakadada ko kasi napaka sana hindi. O, di ba? Yeah, meron dito nagpe-prepare ng ang tawag doon sa ganon. Comment down below. O, di ba? Oo, gender reveal. Oo, gender reveal. I'm sorry. Specific yun, hindi yun para sa lahat. Anyway, I'm sorry again. My fault. Mag-gender reveal nga to, sinabi ko yung gender, no? I'm sorry. Madalas tama yung ganun ko. Wag na nga, panira to si Bia. I'm so sorry. Anyway. So, what else? I'm hearing somebody proposing. Yeah. I'm seeing your status going up. Okay? Going up. What else for earth signs? The Six of Wands in reversed. And okay. The Six of Wands in reversed. The Queen of Cups in reversed. I'm hearing here healthy boundaries para sa Six of Swords. Okay? So, healthy boundaries, saying no sa mga dapat hindian or sa mga sabihin nating minsan kailangan nating magmukhang madamot, no? Or magmukhang walang pakialam sa iba para sa sarili nating mga sabihin nating sa mga importanteng pwede pang mangyari. Now, I think some of you, meron kayong mga hihindian or matututo na kayong humindi. Okay? Kahit labag sa loob ninyo, matuto ka. Ha? Oo, the sun is here in reverse. Kasi hindi natin alam kung meron bang susuporta sa atin afterwards, no? Okay? Ang alam lang natin is yes, tayo kaya nating sumuporta or suportahan yung sarili natin. Doon tayo nakakasigurado, no? So, mas maganda kung gusto rin naman nating makapagsuporta or makatulong rin eventually, unahin natin yung sarili. Okay? Oo, maging mayaman muna tayo. Oo, kasi hindi tayo magiging sabihin natin consistent na makakatulong sa mga tao, sa nangangailangan kung tayo ay kumikita lamang din ng para sa atin. No? So, kumikita, no? Para sa pang-tatlong pagkain sa araw-araw. No, hindi naman pwedeng ganon. So, kung gusto nating makatulong pa, unahin muna natin yung ating sarili. Tsaka tayo tumulong. Somebody needs to hear that. Totoo naman yun. Di po ba? Totoo yun. Okay? So, kahit minsan magmukha tayong madamot sa mata ng iba, hindi rin naman sila kung di sila makakaintindi din. Di ba? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi dapat tayo magbibigay palagi. Hindi tayo dapat magbibigay palagi kasi minsan natututuhanan ng ibang tao na dumepende na lang ng dumepende at magkokos pa rin at magkokos sa'yo ng katoksikan. Hindi po ba? So, hindi natin sila tinuturuan na mag-work. Hindi natin sila natuturuan na mag-provide para sa sarili kung sila ay lagi lang na dumidepende. Hindi po ba? Hindi sila matututo. Anyway, baka mag-rant ako, o diba? So yun nga yung aking reading for you, all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel nasa description box below. Yes, again, thank you. Goodbye.